Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be talking about the specifications review of this Realme 7 5G, which is also called as the Realme Q2 as well, as you can see here. So both Realme 7 5G and the Realme Q2 are the same phones which are releasing, one in China and one as a global variant. And in this video, I'll be talking about all the specifications one by one: display, processor, battery charging, camera, build quality, weight, haptic feed, speaker, SIM slot, and connectivity. All these topics I'll be discussing in this video. So try to watch till end of the video if you want to know complete A to Z details about this device. So this video will be complete specifications review of this Realme 7 5G or the Realme Q2 as well. And first thing is first, and if you're watching first on this channel, make sure to follow me regularly, and also subscribe to my channel, friends, and kindly support me by helping me to improve my subscriber count as well. So do check the links in description for the playlist of so many videos which are already uploaded and which I'm going to upload in the future as well. So make sure to follow regularly every day. Try to check the channel, you will find so many amazing videos. So first thing is first, let me try to first topic is a display. So display is the another important factor for this phone. So the phone has a 6.5 inches of the display, as you can see here, and which has 120 Hz touch sampling rate. So let me try to show you the display properties. So 120 Hz touch sampling rate and 6.5 inches and 1080 resolution of the screen size. So 1080 resolution and Gorilla Glass I think 5 should be there in this Realme 7 5G. So in terms of the display, the only highlight part is that 120 Hz. So 120 Hz is the highlight part in this display category of this Realme 7 5G. And next is that processor. So in this processor, out of this all the topics, the most interesting factor first is the processor only. The reason because the phone comes with a Dimensity 800U processor, and this is the first time we are seeing in the Realme phone, and which is going to release in India with this kind of same kind of Dimensity 800U processor. And so many users, they are very curious to test this performance Dimensity 800U chipset. How does the PUBG game or any other game perform? And now I started to test the 800U device. I did upload so many videos on the Antutu benchmark test comparing this phone with other smartphones, and upcoming videos will be on the PUBG game as well. So make sure to follow me regularly, as I said. So if you follow me regularly, you will get to know A to Z details about this device. So my target is to make close to 200 videos on this mobile phone as soon as possible. So stay tuned, friends. And in terms of the display, the Dimensity 800U processor and the GPU is the Mali G57, as you can see. Usually we'll be seeing the Adreno GPU, but in the MediaTek process we'll be seeing the Mali GPU. So that is the thing about the processor. 120 Hz is the key highlight point, and processor is the Dimensity 800U is the key highlight point, and the battery and the charging. The phone comes with a 5000 mAh of battery, which is really good. 5000 mAh should be pretty much enough for the 1 day for the medium to heavy use, and light uses for 1.5 day as well. And which has 30-watt fast charging, which can charge in I think 65 minutes, as you can see, as advertised. But the next videos I'll be trying to test the charging test as well. So right now I'm trying to drain the phone battery so that I can do the charging test after this video. So in terms of the charging speed, as you can see, within close to 1 hour the phone will get charged for the 5000 mAh of battery. And next is the camera. So in the camera segment, let me quickly show you how many cameras are present. There are 4 cameras which are present on the back side, as you can see here. And this will be the combination 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, as you can see, and which can record 4K 30 FPS. And the front camera has a 16 megapixel, as you can see here, friends. And these are specifications about the cameras. And in terms of the build quality, where I divided into all these categories. So first is the weight category. The phone weighs around 195 grams, so which is kind of below 200 grams mark, which I always wanted to have. So 195 grams is not that too heavy. In terms of the haptic feedback, I'm using the phone for the past couple of days, and the haptic feedback is kind of okay, but not so great, I would say, with this phone. So there is not such option to increase and decrease the intensity of the vibrations, but haptic feedback was pretty good, like normal mid-range segment mobile phones. So this is a basic haptic feedback, so you are not getting much in that. And next is the speakers. There is only one bottom facing speaker, as you can see. There is no top one, only one bottom facing speaker. And in terms of the memory card slot, let me try to quickly open the SIM card tray so that you can see what's the type of SIM card slot here, which is hybrid or 3-in-1. I think this is a hybrid slot, as you can see. So these are SIM slot details of this Realme 7 5G smartphone or Q2. So overall, in terms of the build quality, it's kind of okayish marks because there is only one speaker and only hybrid speaker, hybrid SIM slot and 195 grams. So this is a kind of disappointment in this area. And in connectivity, the phone has the 5G connection, 5G mid-range segment mobile phone. This will be, I think, Realme, if they launch close to 15,000, this will be the first cheapest 5G smartphone as well. And 5G is there, and as you can see, there's also a Wi-Fi tethering option is there in the Wi-Fi tethering, which is also another good advantage. You can use the Wi-Fi router network to spread the hotspot as well. So that's another advantage. And these are the complete breakdown for the specifications of this Realme Q2 or the Realme 7 5G device. In case if you want to know more details about this device, make sure to follow me regularly. I think I have covered so many details about this about this device. So as you can see, everything I said is there here. And the fingerprint scanner is the side which is present, as you can see. I forgot about that. Fingerprint scanner is the sideways. And that's it, friends. This is a complete review of the specifications of this Realme 7 5G or the Q2. And thank you for watching this video. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.